Hello friends, you're welcome to the Crypto Niche channel. And basically what I teach you on this channel is what you can do to make money for yourself in the crypto space and the blockchain ecosystem. All right. So I want you to be a part of this family. Subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification button so that every video that I upload on this channel, you are going to be notified about it. Okay, and you'll be the first set of people to take advantage of that information before the crowd comes in. All right. So now today I'm going to teach you how to 20x, 60x, 40x your money, okay, on Huobi platform. All right. So now, go to this channel, please. Then subscribe. Hit the subscribe button right now. Like this video, make comments, ask me any question in the comment box. I'm always online 247. I'm going to answer all your questions to the best of my ability. All right. So now, this is how this thing works. It is called Huobi Primelist. Okay, Huobi Primelist is similar to Binance Launchpad. All right, so both of them, they're just giving them different names, but they are the same thing. It is IEO. They are all IEOs. That is initial exchange offering. Yes, just like ICOs and the rest. All right. So now this is the trick. On display on this section where you are saying eco magic miner and the rest, there used to be something like a prime list. Okay, let me click on more. So when I click on more, then you should be able to see all of these things right there. But Huobi did something that is very funny recently, and what they did was that they removed that icon from here. So people are asking me a lot of questions on WhatsApp that they are not able to locate that service, okay, on the mobile app, even when they clicked on more. So it comes and goes. Sometimes you see it, sometimes you don't see it. But the main thing is just that you have to come to the announcement page. Okay. So when you get to the announcement page, then you find exactly what you want. The last IEO on Huobi was GM what? Yeah, GMPD. Yes, exactly. Exactly. So when you look at this, we bought this token at 0.055. Okay, at 0.055. I sold around 1.15, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, 1.15 then. So now this is what happened. Let's assume that you also sold at 1.15. Okay, and you bought at, okay, that is 1.15 divided by 0.055. All right, so you've done 20x. Okay, so if you're able to buy this with just $10-$20, then your profit is 20x multiplied by 20. Isn't that amazing? So imagine that I was able to sell at 1.4. Okay, I'm coming. 1.4, then divided by 0.055. Okay, that is 25x. Okay, 25x is 2,500% ROI. Okay, so now, for you to be able to participate in the IEO, you have to take notice of all of these things. The way you look at this token, UNB, I think I participated in UNB too. So UNB was sold for 0.012 and it got as high as 0.27. All right. Now look at this also, 0.27 divided by 0.012. Okay, that's 22x at all-time high. So averagely, you should be able to sell your tokens for like 2,000% profit if you sell early enough. All right. So this is where it gets interesting. So the requirement for you to participate in it is just for you to like fund your account, okay, with minimum of 300 HT token. Okay, when you have 300 HT token, all right, so then you start taking notice of the announcement. So this is the announcement page. Okay, you click on prime list. Any announcement that you see and you see prime list on it, you have to pay attention to it. You have to pay attention to it. Okay, And for every IEO that you want to participate in on Huobi, you must be able to also read the full instructions. Okay, don't just, okay. Now, the instruction for IEO on Huobi sometimes is that you just need to hold a minimum of 300 HT tokens. Okay, this particular account, okay, have 300 HT tokens. Okay, some other account I'm managing for people have over 3,000 HT tokens, about 3,230 something HT tokens are there. So the more HT tokens that you have, the better the chance of buying more on this IEO, because the maximum slot that they can give to anyone is only 50 USDT, no matter the amount of HT tokens that you have. They are trying to make sure that this is evenly distributed as much as possible, right? So, but I recommend that if you have like 3,000 or over 3,000 of about up to 4,000 HT tokens, then you stand a better chance. Okay, so from that point, the more HT tokens you have, the less chance that, it doesn't actually. So it doesn't necessarily increase your chance, and you have to take note of that. Okay. So now, the requirement for this one, for other the previous one I've done, is that just have 50 USDT and have minimum of 300 HT, then you'll be able to participate in it. But this is different. Why? This one is saying that maintain a minimum daily trading volume of $200. Okay, or meet the minimum HT holdings to qualify for the sale. All right, don't be deceived, guys. Don't be deceived. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is that to increase my own chance, I'm going to make sure that I meet the requirement of the trading volume. Okay, one, I'm going to make sure that I have the minimum HT. Okay, so when the day of I think in the next one day, 22 hours and 25 minutes, we're going to be buying this IU, and I can guarantee that I will be able to buy it and share the screenshots with you on YouTube, right? Because I know how these things works. Okay, I'm not going to miss it. So they are giving you conditions. Maintain $200 daily average trading volume, or meet the HT holders. I'm doing the two. So I'm going to make sure that I increase this trading volume manually. All right. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Okay. So I'm going to increase this to like 800 trading volume before the end of this countdown. All right. So, and I'm going to leave this minimum balance there. And the two accounts that I'm using, okay, the other account I have done transaction of over 1,000, not on that account, okay, because I'm managing it for a group of people. All right. So now, this particular one now, all right, so I'm going to add more to it and use like 100 USDT to increase the trading volume so that I can qualify for this IEO. All right, then also you have to set a reminder, you have to set an alarm on your phone, because people still talk about, people say that they missed the IEO, they slept off, they were busy, if you join the group, I usually send updates in the group. Okay, but if you're not in the group on WhatsApp, then you should make sure that you set reminder on your phone. Okay, like reminder is going to be like, it's going to remind you in the next one day, 21 hours. Okay, like 1 hour ahead. So whatever thing you are doing, maybe you are driving or you are at work, you prepare your mind to take part in this IEO. Okay, so these are tips and things that you need to actually participate in the IEO. So when I click on this one that says details, so when you look at the trading details, then you discover that I did 2,000 plus, okay, that's some days ago. So 6,308. So I'm going to increase this also by 28. So at the end of the day, I'll be having over 200 average. Okay. So then the next thing now is this. When you also click on this, the HT, they take snapshots. They're going to be taking snapshot of your HT every day. Okay, so they've taken one snapshot. That is why you're seeing 300. The next one, so it has to be 3 snapshots that's actually take a snapshot of 300, 300, 300. If you have 3,000, that'll be 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, so with this information now, I don't see any reason why you should miss this IAO, and I'm tipping that this IAO is going to do more than 20x. It's going to be like between 20 to 35x, because virtual gaming, peer to earn and stuff like that, that they are trending at the moment, and this is a project that is focusing on this niche in the crypto space. All right, so I'm expecting this project to do well, and I'm going to be sharing with you the results of this IO in the next video. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification button, ask me any question, and if you like, you can join me also on WhatsApp, on Telegram, and let's take the discussion further. All right, bye for now. I love you guys, man.